sync our breaths together. At the count of 3, take a deep breath in and exhale from the mouth. Inhale and exhale. A few more times. I want you to focus on your breath. And as your breath is going down from your nostrils down to your windpipe and in your lungs, it is energizing your entire respiratory tract. I want you all to feel, think or imagine the Mother Earth. And all of you are sitting around the globe, holding each other's hands, protecting it, and energizing it. Imagine holding hands with each other, sitting in a circle, surrounding Mother Earth. And now, as I'll count 3, you will be able to feel, think or imagine the presence of Archangel Raphael right on the top of the earth. 1, 2, and 3. Huge angel figurine or a bright green source of light is now on Mother Earth. Let's all pray that Archangel Raphael helps every single human being on this planet to heal now. I want you all to feel, think or imagine that Archangel Raphael is filling in the green light in every single person on this planet. And as you're praying for the global healing, your prayers, which are filled with positive lights and energies and vibrations, are expanding and filling the entire planet with the divine healing light. Allow the light to fill in your bodies as well as the fellow human beings. And with every breath that you take, this divine healing light coming from the Archangel Raphael is filling in your systems as well as the systems of the fellow beings. The more you pray for the healing of the Mother Earth and the fellow human beings, the green light will increase. At the count of 2, I want you to imagine that Raphael is holding a huge topaz in his hands. Archangel Raphael is holding a huge topaz in his hands. At the count of 2, 1 and 2. And now the sun is shining brightly on the Mother Earth, and the sunlight, the rays from the sun are entering the topaz, and it is shining brilliantly on the earth. Not just our country, but the entire globe is filled with the green and the yellow light. Every single being on the planet is now receiving protection and healing from the angels and divine. The yellow light is helping everyone to increase the immunity, and the green light is helping everyone to heal physically and emotionally. You can imagine your friends and family joining the circle of all of us today. And the circle is becoming larger and larger. And as more people join in, the energies of these healing lights are growing many folds. Let's pray together and request Archangel Raphael to protect our Mother Earth and heal everyone. Let's thank Archangel Raphael and the Divine. Thank you for healing us. Thank you for protecting us. Thank you, angels and the Divine. And now, I want you to focus on yourselves. I want you to feel, think, or imagine that you are surrounded by a green color bubble which is filled with the yellow light. You can now take a few deep breaths and absorb this healing light. Once you are done absorbing this healing light, I want us all to chant Om 3 times. Let's start. Om. 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 Take a deep breath and integrate with all your metaphysical bodies. And as I'll count 3 to 1, you will rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and gradually come back in your body and in your room, feeling healthy and happy. 3, 2, and 1.